Good morning, YouTube. It's me, Samantha, here to film another video. It's crazy early in the morning right now. I'm getting ready for going into the office today. But I was really excited. I couldn't wait until late in the night to play with the new Natasha Denona mini love collection. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this and I'm gonna kind of speed through some of it, but I just wanted to at least give you guys my thoughts on it. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm very tired. I also picked out the Natasha Denona Foundation X. I heard really good things about it, so I decided I wanted to pick it up. I got mine in the shade 42WY, medium, warm yellow undertone beige. This is what she looks like in the frosted glass. It looks a little light, but frosted glass can do that. I look like I'm wearing a kabuki mask because it looks so light. Oh, ghostly. Well, it gives a nice medium coverage. The skin looks nice. I'm gonna have to powder. That's what I'll do. Yeah, we'll just set the face with my Born This Way powder. This is in the shade translucent medium, and it has color to it, so this will give my skin some more life again. I just picked this up. This is the L'Oreal Bronze Please. I love the embossing. It's very pretty. Now I'm just gonna kind of lightly dust the bronzer all over. So getting into the fun stuff, we have the little mini bloom Love Cheek Duo. This really impressed me because I was like, ooh, that lavender, cool tone lavendery gold with the peach, that is gonna be an ingenious look and balance of color on my face, and I was really intrigued to use this. So I'm going to take this dense brush and put it into the cream product. Ooh, it's more pink than I anticipated and pigmented. And I like to take when I'm using cream products, I use a dense brush because I feel like you can pounce it on the skin like a beauty blender without creating streaks. But you're gonna keep that pigmentation. It's not gonna get lost in the sponge. Alright, here we're at. We're gonna add that highlight. I'm curious to see what it looks like on my skin tone, really. We're gonna use this Luxie 737 brush. It's very subtle on the skin. I probably have way too much on, but it gives a very subtle look. And for people who don't like their creams and powders to mix, I just want you to note there's no protective layer over the cream product in this component. It gives like this subtle, soft glow. It's not blinding. I actually prefer it this way. I just was expecting more just because in the past I feel like you have gotten more of a standout blinding look, but this is really quite ethereal. And I love also this is really much more of a cool tone palette than anything. And that intrigues me a lot because most of eyeshadow palettes are warm, especially Valentine's Day ones. They lean a little bit more red. So it's nice to see it more in the cool tone area. And that was the same thing with that highlight. It was very cool tone. It had a gold sheen to it, but it was very lavendery cool tone, so that's cool. Put some Milani eye primer on. And I'm going to speed through the eye look. I'm not going to talk through it. Honestly, I'm not that impressed. This shimmer here in the corner, you probably would be best wetting it. It's very flat. I know it looks shiny on my finger, but in comparison to her other shadows, it's very flat satin shade. It's not really a shimmer. And then this one right here on the other end that looks flaky and amazing is quite crumbly and not very smooth, so they'd probably both be better wet, because I apply it to the finger and then I put it on and I just have all this fallout, which is really surprising to me. I do wish the blush was a little bit darker. I'm gonna go in with my Natasha Denona mini blue highlight just in the apples of my cheeks, because I feel like it just needs a little more color. Beautiful. All right, the final touch. Beautiful. I could wear this with a liner, but I actually think it looks quite nice like this. Very soft. And then just on the eyes. So I'm gonna get dressed and be done. Alright, so my final feelings on this first impressions, and again, this is my first time using these products, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel about them really. But the foundation was really nice, just crazy light on me. I'm gonna have to see if I can exchange that for a darker shade. The blush and highlight, I thought it was really beautiful, very ethereal looking. I'm quite happy with that. The lipstick, I think it's beautiful. It's really nice. The only thing that I was questionable about it, and I'm glad, you know, I got 20% off all of this when I purchased it from Natasha Denona's site, so I'm glad that came with a little discount because she is very expensive. Was this palette. I thought the mattes worked really nicely. Even this shimmer here, right here, the like pinky beige one, but the one that was a little bit more rose tone, it just was a little lackluster. You're gonna have to wet the brush with that, and the same with the other shade. It's kind of crumbly. Maybe better used with a glitter glue than with your fingers. How I traditionally use my eyeshadows is with my fingers. It did go on, but it was not very smooth, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to play with that a little bit more, using different techniques and see how I really feel about it. But this is how the look is. I'm gonna go to work now, and you know, just so you can see my everyday vibe for life is young grandma. So yeah, this is what everything looks like, and I'm gonna head off to work. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, love you guys. Bye.